Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Mangalayatan University F-Tel account. So let's get started. So to log into your Mangalayatan University F-Tel account, what you can do is just open up a browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for Mangalayatan University F-Tel login. And after searching for that, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just tap on this first option which says student login. And after tapping on student login, now you can log into your account. So what you have to do is just enter your registration number and then enter your date of birth, then tap on sign in. So after entering your details, now what you can do is just tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you'll successfully sign into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Mangalayatan University F-Tel account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.